going? Me and Bear's going for drive. Ito-drive ko si Bear para hindi siya mag-board. So, let's go to the bank. Hello, hi. Where are you? Hi, let's go. So, me and Bears, we're here. What are we doing in here? Bear? Bear, where are you? Baba. Big say help. They make you.
He's a girl.
He's a boy. Does it feel hot? Say thank you, guys. Thank you. Oh, doesn't like it. Look at you, Teddy Bear. Didn't just say anything.
You can put it on.
See, they love you guys. Oh.
No, I'm watching him.
Please. Help, please. Oh, it's time to go to sleep. Oh. Say, shh, don't disturb. I'm sleeping. Yes, Mama. Baby bear. Are you okay, Baba? Feels so hot. Hudson? I can see you. Where are you? Let's move. Huh? Sale. Yun ang clearance sale doon banda. Ano? Boy leg pantry.
Hindi nga lang panty kung gusto. Ayoko yung maraming makatiyak mo.
So ito pang panty, boy leg heavy period.
Boy Lego.
Size, anong size yan? Size $6 ito oh. Ano yan?
Tatlong peraso.
May bulaklakin. Saan pa? May $5 yan oh. Panty. So, tapos na yung panty mo?
$2.
5 pack for 10. Ano naman
Ano
yan?
size to? Size 12.